and let's go to the AS3X settings because we need to figure out our gain sensitivity. Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. Forward programming. We're going step by step, setting up Safe Select and AS3X in our RC airplane. So therefore, you can fly your P&P airplane for the first time, just as if it was a bind and fly that came with a Safe Select. Thank goodness for Safe Select. It gave all of us the opportunity to enjoy this awesome hobby. So, where we left off last time was we set up a flight mode channel and figured out the receiver orientation. And when we flipped our flight mode, it had AS3X active on both channels. So let's fire up our plane. Transmitter first, then the plane, and you'll see the control surface dance only one time, because one time represents AS3X, two dances represents AS3X and Safe Select. So let's turn on our plane. All right, so we got AS3X dancing away for us. We're making progress. Got the transmitter. Throttle cut is on. We need to go to forward programming where we left off. Just verifying the throttle cut. And let's just double triple check where we left off last time. Gyro setting, flight mode setup, flight mode 1, AS3X is active, flipping our switch, flight mode 3, AS3X is active. But Sean, it goes from flight mode 1 to 3. What happened to 2? We're using a 2-position switch. One position, the way the transmitter is talking to the receiver, is -100. You flip the switch, it goes to +100. If it was a 3-position switch, it would go -100, then the middle setting 0, and the other setting +100. In that case, it would be flight mode 1, 2, 3. And yes, you can do that. I think you can do up to 5 different flight modes. You just got to get creative enough. So let's go back and let's go to the AS3X settings because we need to figure out our gain sensitivity and then fixed or adjustable gains. So in the manual for Safe Select and forward programming setup, it tells us what the gain sensitivity should be per plane. You can pause it if you want. It's right here. And I'll read it to you. It says, if your aircraft is over or under sensitive to the range of gain available, adjust the gain sensitivity. Agile aircraft with extreme control surfaces, deflections, or high-speed aircraft should use 1x. Moderate sport airplanes, deflections, should use 2x. Slow and inherently stable aircraft with mild performance should use 4x. So our FMS Beaver would be 4x. A jet would be 1x. Maybe a P-51 Warbird or something should be 2x. Of course, all that is adjustable for your liking, but a great place to start, and it has never let me down, is by the manual. So let's go down to the gain sensitivity and FMS Beaver. We'll change this to the 4x. Then we need to go down here to the fixed or adjustable gains. And we did not set up a gain channel, so we need to make sure our gains are fixed. Select. And it looks like they're set on adjustable right now. So select, roll down, select, roll down. Roll, pitch, and yaw for the AS3X, which is only stability right now. It's not the safe. This is for wind. Flight mode 3, fixed, fixed, fixed. Now we need to make sure it's fixed in the other flight mode. So we need to flip our switch. Flight mode 1, fixed, fixed, fixed. So flight mode 1, all the gains are fixed. Flight mode 3, they're all fixed. more about the gains in another video. So now we need to go back. So we have our gain sensitivity set on 4X because we're talking about the FMS Beaver. And our fixed or adjustable gains are set on fixed. So now let's check what we have set up. Down here to flight mode setup one more time. Flight mode 1, AS3X is active. Flight mode 3, it's active. Back, back, back. Let's test out our AS3X. All right, let's test out our AS3X, which we have active on both flight modes. So I'm going to turn the throttle cut off, and we're going to give it some throttle, and then turn the throttle down. That activates the AS3X. Throttle cut's on. So now, oh, the servos are reacting to the gyro. Look at the elevator. Look at the ailerons. So the AS3X is for wind, right? If a gust of wind blows this wing up here, the left wing, and it goes up, the aileron goes up to counteract the wind. Okay, so our gyro is working. Oh, look at the elevator going crazy. The gains are way too high for our airplane. We'll make adjustments in another video. Let's flip our flight mode. We're going to verify that the AS3X is working in the other flight mode. And it is. So, our gain sensitivity has been chosen for what airplane that we are programming. Each of us are doing different ones. And we have set our gains to fixed across the board. Okay guys, hey, that was step 3. So now we got the AS3X active on both of our flight modes. So next, step 4. So hopefully you guys are following along. The comments say that you are, which is awesome. We're only a few more steps away from safe select. Thank you guys. Hey, subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. How about a video idea? All that interaction from you guys is what the big supercomputer of YouTube sees, the algorithm. If you guys are responding like that, especially the thumbs up, then it'll put my videos in front of other people, and then other people can do the forward programming as well. All right, guys, hey, thank you. Until next time, you'll see me here.